Drug it out of a guy's garage. Mike's been looking for something for the body shop for a project, so the skill of the body shop thought this might be a good one. Chevrolet C10.
I think we can handle this.
Oh yeah, I think so too.
Yeah. We gotta talk about some stuff though. What do you want to do with this bed? I think we should make it a short bed.
Let's do it. Make it a kid's bed.
Brothers makes a mod kit we can use for this. Maybe plank the floor, put wooden planks in it. Maybe do a little bit of interior work.
Oh, here we go. Oh, that's not bad. Yeah,
What kind of engine's that?
It looks like a small block, maybe a 350 is what I'm thinking. A little performance in it, a little muscle, not much, but a little bit.
Switch it out with a 5.3.
That's what I'm thinking. Fuel injector in here. Sound good. We're gonna have to replace this right here.
Some upgrades.
Yeah. This coolant bottle isn't gonna work.
But it's sound.
Yeah.
No rust. It'll be alright. Anything we can save on this, Miguel?
Well, we're gonna get rid of this for sure. That's gonna be upgraded, so that's gonna be out of there. We're gonna replace the brake system for sure. That's gotta go. That's outdated for sure. Looks like this sorry, what is this? Radiator is gonna be kept, saved. Looks like they got some good fans on here. Maybe the condenser. We'll see about that. That'll be at a later date to decide.
We gotta save some money. I know we're gonna spend some money, but I gotta sell this too.
Yeah, for sure.
This ups the value.
This helps us out.
This is a $15 investment.
over there,
Yeah,
Ashley.
there we go.
Yeah.
It's nice transmission fluid. I mean, you cannot go without extra.
Yes.
Okay. Good. Okay.
Definitely. Okay. Let's start here. Oh man. Where's the brake? Well, that right there tells us that we have some rust building up right there. Definitely gonna have to address that.
It's a leak somewhere.
Yeah, we got a water leak somewhere. So most likely,
for an estimate, please.
most likely we got damage under here in this area over here as well. We'll have to pull that panel up and see how bad it is. We know that door doesn't work, it doesn't open, so we'll have to figure out how to do that as well. Get it open.
But some of this retains its classic look.
Yeah, the dash looks really good.
We can fix a lot of it too.
Yeah. Interior needs a little upholstery. A little bit of loving.
It's got a super cool speaker.
Oh, that's nice. Upgrade right there. Man, that was...
Okay, let's look at the bed.
I don't think it's supposed to do that.
I don't think it's got any bolts in the back.
It's supposed to be mounted
Nice
to
and
the floor
secure.
here. Yep.
Put your child in there.
Yeah.
That's just like
I'll
that.
put mine in there.
We got 2 bolts holding this seat in, so it's gonna need 4 at minimum to keep it in there. So, let's see. As you can see right here, we have previous work that we'll have to redo right there. That came undone. Oh, we got stereo system. Well, in 1972, they did not come out with the JVC CD stereo, so that's an additive right there. And this is our brand new AC system that they installed, so that's good.
Oh wow. Oh, this is gonna need some work. Yeah, if I would drive this is gonna need a lot of work.
Whoa, Ashley, I can't spend a bunch of money. I know we gotta make it look pretty.
Right.
There's some things that we may not be able to do.
Can we keep the cool speakers?
We'll keep the speakers.
Yes. It's got a nice little radio too.
What do you think of the blue?
Honestly, I like the blue. I like the blue personally.
I think that was the original color.
It looks like it was.
Yeah,
It's pretty well intact inside.
it's not bad.
Just needs a little love.
That's
All right, guys. All this talk sounds great, but how long is this project gonna take?
Ooh.
3 to 6 months, but we'll film the entire thing.
Yeah.
With all the bodywork, conversions, getting it prepped up and into paint. We'll GoPro the paint process, get some feedback from our classic family, then move into the reassembly portion. It's gonna be fun, it's gonna be cool.
I'm excited.